everybody. I have a cough drop in my mouth, so don't mind that. But good morning. It is December the 12th, and I am currently about to start painting my toenails because I took all the nail polish off a couple days ago, and I feel like they need something on there. They look so bare. I'm drinking my glass of water, and I'm probably also going to watch some of my TV show I've been watching on Netflix called Rain. And I'll update you guys when I'm finished.
What are you doing? Why are you asleep?
Trevor!
Trev! Wake up! Trev! I hit my head on the ceiling. Wake up! Dork. Get up! Why are you asleep?
I wasn't.
Why are you weird?
How do you feel, Trevor?
Clothing. Let's go.
Later.
Gotta do a closet clean out.
Always later. Everything's later with you. Never right then. I'm Dixie. I'm Dixie.
So excited.
Wait.
I think I like her daddy. Hi, Dixie.
Look at Melody climbing on the back of the couch for you.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Mwah. Hello. Mwah.
Taste test.
Why you gotta put it in?
Why not? Here's your other one. Said 2. How is it? Come on.
It makes me think I should eat something else now for dinner.
I'm going to kick you out for those 2 things.
Alright.
That's what he does. He thinks that when he does bad, he should just do bad the rest of the day.
Alright guys, it's a lot later now. I spent a lot of the day working on my study guide and my paper, and I also helped my mom clean out my brother's closet because we're taking some donations to tornado relief, because if you guys don't know, there was a big tornado that went through several states but hit really hard in western Kentucky. So we are making donations from some old clothes and things like that we have that we were going to donate anyways, but I'm supposed to be taking those to our public school. They're delivering it on a bus down to western Kentucky. So we went through a lot of our stuff today and got rid of some of it so that we could donate to help that relief fund. But now I'm going to spend a lot of my evening working on the painting that we started yesterday, and see how much progress we can make. Hopefully the time lapse actually works tonight, because I really hope my camera doesn't die. I have 2 extra charged batteries, so it should work all evening. Alright, we're going to take a little painting break to take a bath, and we're going to, ooh, brightness. And we're going to use all kinds of holiday stuff. I have that scrub that I like to use that's like peppermint from, I think it's called Tree Hut is the brand. And then I also have some holiday scented stuff in here. So I've got my body wash, Winter Candy Apple body wash. And then I think I'm going to use Twisted Peppermint body lotion afterwards, and then that body scrub. And then I also have some holiday hand lotion that I'm going to get out and put in my purse so that I'll use it. Also, my hair's so greasy because I haven't washed it in 2 days. And I think we're just going to do some self-care tonight. I have a couple other like skincare things that I could use. Let me see if I can find them. I have a charcoal face mask out on my shelf that I'll use, and then maybe we'll like self-tan or something. I know I have facial tanner. I think I'm out of body tanner though. Maybe I'll go to the store and get some tomorrow. But yeah, I just kind of want to have like a little bit of a holiday self-care night, so that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna run a bath, and I'll see you guys when I'm out of it and we are doing the body wash or the body lotion and all that stuff. Anyways, I think I just want to do some kind of like self-care night. I also have a hair mask that is this Replenish hair mask. It's supposed to like moisturize the ends of your hair, so I'm probably gonna use that as well. Alright, I'm out of the bath and I just did all of my skincare. I put lotion on, I put hair care in, and I'm feeling great. So now I'm just gonna paint a little bit and then probably go to bed because I have a big day of working on my paper tomorrow. I'm gonna try to finish it. I've got like 2.5 pages and I need 5 to 7, so hopefully I get that done tomorrow. And then after that, it's literally just my test Thursday and I'm done. So I'm very excited to be finished because I only have 1 semester left after this one. So I'm just like, we're so close to the finish line. Anyways, I'm gonna relax and paint and probably watch videos on YouTube and go to bed.